Day 6. Okay, y'all. I did bring my camera to the gym. I didn't want to bring my camera, but I am on the Stairmasters.
Somebody tell me the answers. Me and you isn't the answer. Me and you isn't. Maybe I'm telling myself that there ain't nothing that'll change that. What good would it be if I knew how you felt about me? It could have been right when I was wrong. Only think about you and me alone. Part of me that can't see this gone, and I know that I can't get caught up. We could have been, and we tried to pretend. Now and again, we don't dream about, don't think about what we could have been. No, I'm holding it in, cause I know in the end, we dream about, I think about what we could have been. We could have been, we could remember the night in Miami, first time you put your arms around me. Don't go reminiscing. Thinking about you isn't helping, thinking about you doesn't tell me. What could you do if I decide to face the truth? It could have been right, but I was wrong. Only think about you and think about wrong. Only hit me up when she's not wrong, and that's why I can't get caught up. We could have been, try to pretend now and again.
Dang, y'all, they finna open up a Savage. What? Okay, Riri.
About I think about what we could have been, we could have been, we could have been, we could have been, we could have been.
Y'all, this shit so raw. Your phone, watch, and the Apple Pod thingies. I wonder how much this is. Look at my phone. Look why it's doing that. Y'all, these is so nice. I love these. I'm gonna come back and get these tomorrow.
Somebody, if we got a hot, it was the point of trying. I ain't just a friend, I wasn't one on line trying to sell a story. Ain't nobody buying, ain't nobody loving me about eyes. Don't laugh for eyes. Why should it end? Maybe I could have been. I
Lip gloss is so pretty. Yeah, this is pretty. This shadow right here. Let me see how it looks. I'm trying to see how the shadow. Ooh.
Oh, that is pretty. Is that shadow or what?
Huh?
The shadow or what is it?
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, sparkler eyeshadow.
Look at me.
Bubbles and balls.
That's pretty. I'm good to get out of here. How much is this?
Huh?
No, I like that. And for a shadow? Girl, y'all. I never. What you mean?
It will be done.
Hey, girl.
Oh,
let me know if y'all need anything, okay? Your hair is cute.
Oh, not right now.
Anybody help me out yet?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think she wants to go get the powder. Thank you. Girl, come here, mama. Girl, this shit $100 for this shirt. Look at the price. Girl. This one. It's not giving. It's giving too much. So I like the pants. The pants are too cute. The shirt gotta go. Y'all, these shoes. Oh, I like this. I ain't never seen nothing like this. Look at this.
Oh yeah, them. I was just looking at the green ones. I was like,
yeah, them is cute.
And the green is
yeah.
really
The green ones. Let's give them Christmas bags.
You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential. You got potential.
Alright, y'all, so I'm about to do my face. I already molded my brows and stuff like that. I did come in after the last clip. Came in, washed up, did all the stuff that I needed to do as far as self-care goes. Smoothly. It is now 5:54. The concert, like I said, starts at 6. Was it the same time as last time? Actually not. I was rushing last time, so I feel a little comfortable today. About to do my brows. A lot of people have been saying my brows been looking good, and I just use this. It's also Brow Full. It's like a pomade, but in a squeezy tube. From P. Louise in the shade Espresso and Mochaccino, and I use a light hand. So yeah, I'm about to actually do my makeup, and then in the next clip you will see me with my makeup done and my outfit on, because I'm gonna show y'all exactly what my outfit look like. But yeah, that sound okay. I'm gonna come back when it's time for us to go. Alright, y'all, I'm late, but let's show y'all my outfit. This is my outfit, y'all. Y'all see it? This is Buchanan, but I ain't got time, y'all. Damn, I can't zoom in.
One of the most, out of every fucked up situation, you gotta look at the beautiful aspect of it. It's always some type of light to every darkness.
What's up? What's that? Get it from the niggas to try weapons. Tell them I'm equipped.
party.
Well, thank y'all for coming out, supporting us, supporting Juice Wrld. Happy birthday.
Okay,
Juice Wrld.
period. Trippy! Damn, I got a clip picture, boy. Okay, Trippy. Oh, that's right. Okay. I like his sweater, y'all. Long live Juice! You ain't from Chicago. You ain't got no job either. Period. If y'all come to Chicago, please get y'all a motherfucking Jewtown burger, okay? This is right off of, what is it?
Right off the motherfucking expressway off of motherfucking Roosevelt.
Roosevelt, okay? Come to Roosevelt. This shit is so good. I'm telling y'all. This shit tastes so good. Look, it's the best. And I'm finna eat it right now. Because I'm fucking starving. Alright, y'all. So I ended my night at the casino. For a day. What today is?
Friday the 9th.
For the 8th / the 9th. So I'm over here trying to win some money, but the whole time I am losing. And I'm finna get the fuck out of here and go to sleep. So I gotta take Lady to school. So yeah, it's 2 o'clock. So yeah. Hey y'all, I know I look crazy with this lip on, but this lip is giving. It's so cute. You'll just have to see it like with everything on, like the whole lip on. So right now, today is the 9th, Friday. I'm about to pack some orders, and this is how we are about to end our night. I'm packing some orders and I'm gonna edit so I can get some of these vlogs up to y'all. I don't like do everyday vlogs because y'all not gonna get much. It's short vlogs and I don't do much, okay? I'm boring, okay? So y'all really definitely not gonna get much. However, I am gonna pack some orders, so y'all can come with me to pack some orders. And if y'all haven't checked out my site, it's www.befiercebeauty.com. So go ahead and come shop with us. And yeah, come package these orders with me. I didn't really do much today, but go get some boxes at Walmart. Pick my daughter up from school. Cause yesterday it was lit, y'all. I enjoyed myself at this concert. I was like, you know what? Let me just get lit, have fun, and everybody in there was lit. Like the whole stadium, it was a whole bunch of people now. But now I'm just about to pack some orders, and yeah, come pack with me.
You gonna fight people, and I'm supposed to fight. It's just I don't want that drama. So he's like, okay, yeah, because I'm trying to go back to jail. No way, I'm on probation. Y'all, he always make an excuse. Like your sister be like, you're not home, or you in trouble and stuff like that. So I'm like, okay, what it is showing me. It's hard to say that. So I'm like, okay, well, she not hating, but she not trying to let him come with it. Like, you know, I just explained the whole get down to her. So she like, okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna come with you. Like, we're gonna have to figure out what we gonna lie. So he comes out. When he comes out the room, he's talking like to some girl. It was like a group, all the girls trying to come up with something off the top of our head, like we just gotta go. Cause I was getting nervous. I didn't want to be there no more. Like, it was just so fucking weird. So he like, all right, we're gonna walk y'all back to the bus. Come on, y'all get in the car. So he like, get in the car, baby, it's cool. Y'all, we hop in the car. I'm like, well, sick, and I'm talking to him on AIM on the computer, right? So he was all like, oh, my friend just reminded me about not out my bad. So he like posted, like post my picture. So I'm like, oh, okay. So then he telling me add these people on Facebook. He giving me a list of people to add on Facebook or MySpace, whatever the fuck it was. But he giving me or whatever, just post me, say I'm your boyfriend.